stories about how the ancient Incans, the Andes, first cultivated potatoes and how they were brought to Europe. And then look at this. Avrami, you should see this. Frederick the Great. Yeah, where's Avrami? Because Frederick the Great of Prussia grew potatoes in his flower garden. So the potatoes came from Peru to Spain, and then from there all over the world, and then France and Russia brought them to America. England, I guess. The potatoes first introduced to North America were likely brought from Ireland. She said the fruit of the potato is poisonous.
Really? I didn't know that.
And Marie Antoinette wore potato flowers in her hair.
I mean, they're pretty flowers. See, this is how they plant parts of potato. They cut it into little pieces. That's how they don't grow seed. It doesn't grow from seeds.
Avrami, look at this. Frederick the Great of Prussia grew potatoes in his flower garden.
Is that the biggest one?
Guinness Book of World Records qualifies this as the world's largest potato crisp. The oddity was made by a team of food engineers employed by Procter & Gamble, Cincinnati, Ohio, June 3rd, 1991. It's the equivalent of 80 regular Pringles potato crisps. Here's a potato signed by Dan Quayle. He was the vice president, and he misspelled potato on a spelling bee. So the governor of Idaho sent him this letter.
Okay. How they get stored, all that stuff.
Do you see the? Oh wow! Did you see the giant Pringle, Shlomi? Potato harvesting VR. So put it on. Sit down first.
Ratings for potatoes.
This potato is not rotten. Hollow heart is an internal defect, but the potato is so affected it's perfectly usable.
Just cut it out. This farm equipment's from Canton, Ohio.
Really? We were there. Look at that. They do my live stream while I...
I can put it in my pocket just like he does. Work. 24 inches of water? They don't measure it by like liters or something?
What?
It says potatoes being 24 inches of water.
Because they need to be submerged, I guess. I don't know. That's a good question. I don't know. Oh no. Just out of the cut. I'm sorry.
That would be cool if you could make out with potato. Star Wars! That VR experience was fun. Was? Yeah. I mean,
Well, Touch is live streaming? Maybe it's live streaming.
I don't know how to do that.
Oh, there's a bug on me.
Oh, you're taking it back? But I was doing so good.
So we're at the Potato Museum.
Fun, but it was interesting.
You want to see how potatoes are
How
harvested?
do I do the VR? Let this gentleman go through.
Here's
So.
how to make a club out of a potato. Here's how to grow a potato cow.
It's corn grass.
Make potato battery, which we did at school.
I'll do it. Hope no one's there. Ah, someone's already there. Oh, with them.
No, I fine. How am I supposed to do VR on my... It doesn't make sense.
On my counter.
Are we done? This was cool.
You in the bathroom?
I did already.
I use the bathroom. Rewatch that, please. So look,
Oh,
can you
there's-
tell me where we are right now?
Yeah.
24%. Millions of people. And then they invented potato chips in 1853. So that's almost 200 years ago. 175 years ago.
Yeah, you can hold the live stream on it.
Let me see if anyone's buying a VR. Yeah, someone is. Leave in the comments what's your favorite type of potato chip. What the 3 question marks?
Actually, you'll find.
Where's everybody?
I don't know.
We're sitting in a room.
Are you in the bathroom? There's that Rabbi. What am I supposed to do? I don't see anything. Okay. If I put the camera right here, does this work? Alright, kind of does.
see it.
Yeah. Oh, it turned off. There we go. You can see the VR. Alright.
How'd you like that?
There's nobody watching.
Someone said.
Question mark. Alright, let's go find Mom. Do we want to buy potato chips here? You need soda? That's pretty expensive soda. Where's Abraham? What scavenger hunt?
I don't know. There's a scavenger hunt. I want to do it. Okay.
So how potatoes changed the world? They offered world food security.
They invented the TV.
Colorado potato beetle. What did Colorado potato beetles eat before?
Apparently potatoes invented the TV or something.
Yeah, well, no, it was your grandma's boyfriend, Violet T. Farnsworth. Now they're trying to see if they can grow potatoes on Mars. Mr. Potato Head was the first toy advertised on television.
Yeah, that is true.
So at only 14 years of age on a small farm in rural Idaho, An idea came to Philo T. Farnsworth as he was working on his uncle's potato farm. He looked at the plowed rows of dirt behind him. Instead of seeing rows of dirt and mud, he envisioned a line of electrons. The farming lines inspired him. He could scan a picture line by line, like reading pages in a book. This was the motivation for how he could scan a picture to turn it into an electrical pulse that could be transmitted.
You got a quarter for him, wants this much penny.
Thank you.
You find it?
We ready to go?
Okay, we're gonna have one last thing to find a hard tape for you.
Oh, yeah, that's fun.
David, you coming in and get price? Tighten it up to the back of your head.
All sorts of unsightly hairs. Let me tell you, this is going to have any of that. To be honest, I can go on.
Oh, this is the dress that Marilyn Monroe wore?
Let's see. Oh, you gotta find these guys. Okay, some of these are up here.
Which one, me? Mommy. Which one?
He's by the squish penny thing. You found everything?
No.
Hey, you said you knew where it was.
No, you found them. That's the potato god. So all the potato god stuff is up front.
Those guys?
Oh, those guys are on there.
Oh, here's the hard potato.
Yeah, you found it.
You got messed up. Do you have another 3/4, Joe? First, you have to line it up.
Yeah, but I don't want to use a quarter from 1967.
Why is it?
Do you have a single dollar bill? And I can get it.
Maybe I'll have it. 3/4.
Well, I have 2 quarters.
A quarter from you. So let me show you how to do it. Okay.
Look, it has a hefter on it, the split for potato pearls, mashed potatoes. Alright, I think we should get on the road. You got it? Where is...
Here, and then three first. Let's say one more.
Fine. See how much I love you.
Or if you have a single, we can try to get change.
No, I already gave him.
There you go. Is it better?
All right.
Yeah, there you go. You have to have it lined up.
All right. Where's?
You want to pause the potato pen something?
No, I just want to. I want to. We're going. Well, keep that too. All right, we ready to go?
Looking for the potato god pin.
What?
The potato god pin.
What? Right there?
It looks like. Can you find it? Look what it looks like. Is it in here? It's in the front row. So in your glass cap. Don't go in front of people. Don't walk in front of people. Oh, here it is. No, that's not that. Where is it? In the front room over the glass cabinet. I don't see it.
Is it over here?
Front room. All right.
Found it? All right. You ready? There it is.
Is that the last one?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to take it and show it to him? You should give you a prize.
Oh wow. That's from. That's real?
Come here. Sure.
Where's Peggy?
Thank you, guys.
I think I like the message.
You finished it. Good job.
You want to just give this back to the WD, or you want to keep it?
That's fine, we'll keep it, we'll give it away. You like that one?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. That was fun.
Kids, bingo night? You missed it.
Happy.
All right. So that was the Potato Museum in Blackfoot, Idaho. I guess I missed when the sticker came up. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. We'll see you later. How do I turn this thing off? This one?
The sticker